In my best-selling book, Dreams Without Goals or Nightmares, I talk about the importance of visualizations and how visualization can help you to reach your goals. We know that well-trained athletes use visualization all the time. Simone Biles has even said that she uses visualizations as an effective tool to help her reach her goals. Now we know she's one of the most well-decorated Olympians. She's a gymnast who has 11 medals, and in this current Olympics, she had 3 golds and 1 silver medal. So I think living in the light of Simone Biles and doing visualizations can be important. So I want you to do this action step. Think about something you want to achieve. Getting a new job, passing a test, having a special party, or seeing your baby take the first few steps. I want you to close your eyes and visualize whatever that goal is that you're imagining. Because when you visualize, it gives your subconscious mind some direction. That is important to understand that visualization without action will not give you any positive results. So please, try this tomorrow and let me know how it works. And please comment below and let me see what you learned from the power of visualization. Please subscribe below and share this with a friend.